Breaking news coming in. We'll have to cut straight across to it. Omar Abdullah has reacted on the Enforcement Directorate grilling on Farooq Abdullah. Omar Abdullah has put out a tweet, and I quote, "The party will be responding to the ED summons shortly. This is nothing less than political vendetta coming days after the formation of People's Alliance for Gupkar Declaration. To set the record straight, no raids are being conducted at Dr. Sahib's residence." Unquote. This is the latest coming in as far as Omar Abdullah's first-up reaction is concerned after the summons was issued by the Enforcement Directorate in the Cricket Association scam, the multi-crore Jammu and Kashmir Cricket Association scam that had allegations of money laundering as well. Manish is now joining us live for the very latest. Manish, of course, Omar has said that they will be responding to the Enforcement Directorate summons shortly, but going on to say that this is nothing less than political vendetta, and for now, there are no raids that are being conducted at Farooq Abdullah's residence. Over to you, Manish.
Yeah, well, Chaiti, as we speak, Mr. Farooq Abdullah is being questioned by the Enforcement Directorate in connection to the Jammu and Kashmir Cricket Association misappropriation of funds. Now, according to the Enforcement Directorate, this is the second time he's been questioned. Earlier, he was questioned in July 2019, and now, based on some bank documents, he's been questioned today at Srinagar office of Enforcement Directorate. ED claims that this is not a political vendetta, this is an ongoing investigation, and when some material against Mr. Farooq Abdullah came into light, then only he is being questioned. CBI has already named Mr. Farooq Abdullah in the charge sheet. ED is questioning today, but of course this will have a far-reaching political implications because the political ties of Mr. Farooq Abdullah is something which is being seen as a political war between the centre and
oh yes, absolutely,
Jammu and Kashmir
absolutely.
Politics.
That political angle also is very important in this particular story, and Omar Abdullah has reacted to the ED summons received by Farooq Abdullah. We'll continue tracking this in much detail for now.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.